Custom Traffic Source Configuration. Select the Traffic Sources tab. Next, click on the New Traffic Source button. If your traffic source is not on the list of predefined traffic sources, click on the Create Custom button to start defining one manually. Enter the traffic source name. Traffic source postback URL and pixel redirect URL sections are not mandatory and should only be used if you want to relay conversions back to the source. In the next section, you can switch on the impression tracking. With this option enabled, an impression pixel is added for each campaign created with the related traffic source template. It also enables you to track costs based on CPM model. Make sure that your ad exchange supports impression pixel before switching this option on. By clicking on the Advanced Parameters section, you can customize the data you pass from your traffic source to volume. You can see 3 required fields here. Name column, which is used for naming your variable reports. Parameter, which is entered into your campaign URL's query string and is directly related to a corresponding token. And placeholder, which is a dynamic token you receive from your traffic source. The track column defines whether the variable is tracked and included in your reports or not. To properly map the parameters and tokens, check your traffic source documentation. Start with the external ID parameter, which is used to track external unique IDs. This parameter is needed when your traffic source requires passing unique ID in their postback to record the conversion on traffic source end. In this section, you can also add a cost parameter to automatically track costs using the auto settings in the campaign setup. Remember that not every traffic source supports dynamic cost tracking, so don't forget to double check with your source if this option is available. Most traffic sources let you pass some extra parameters in the destination URL, such as Publisher ID, Target ID, Keyword, or others. You can add all additional custom variables in fields from variable 1 to variable 10. All parameters and placeholders defined within these fields are automatically appended to the campaign URLs created with the related template. Watch the corresponding tutorial on how to configure the traffic source postback URL or pixel redirect URL depending on which method is supported by your source. Thank you for watching.